To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Me step out of jail yard. Sun hot on my face, but my heart still cold. Family house full, but nobody really glad me home. Sister turn her back on me, say she tired of the shame and disgrace. Auntie say, hold your head up, my youth, but the past still call me name. A scamming business, feed we belly, pies and whistle. Scamming business, money come fast, but freedom slow. We hustle together, but we fight like enemies. Same blood in our vein, yeah. Still chained by the scamming business. Daddy teach me the road them before me even learn right from wrong. Say son, this is how we survive, but survival turn to prison song. 5% of me sweat, yeah, while them live big and free. College fee due tomorrow, but jail cell wait for me. A scamming business, feed we belly, pies and we soul.
Around 20 minutes, Mr. Danyasa. And 20 minutes, Mr. Danyasa, you're the on your phone like, me not exist, none at all.
No, girl, not like that. That's you doing they want deep conversation and I have to listen to what they must say. Because me can analyze and me just go listen to the voice note and just put on your phone. But anyways, where they going with?
And I have a rough life easy. Kinda beat out right now because I will leave her at my daughter in shop today. Because you know clean up from somebody that just want cleaning.
Oh, so you know go on fear today, right?
Yeah, me make one look up, me make $1 still, you know. Make
Okay.
something.
Well, I have to
God
give
bless
thanks.
what me make.
I have to give thanks for life. So, I can't see a girl. I
Let me tell
can't
you
see, I
something.
can't even say, I can live on your little sibling them in the shop and go and check me. I not see you much months now, I not see you.
You always up on the road. You're up, down, all around the world. Remember saying scammer man are there, you know. Scammer man not stay one place, you know. They have to move, they always up on the go. I got to go, I can't stay here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so
Not.
sometimes it don't make no sense. Me make somebody go in the shop and then 2 times I come in the yard, I in the yard. So it don't make no sense me continue to do that.
Alright, let me tell you something. Basically, I have this type of boyfriend. You see, if I decide I don't feel good none at all. So you see, everywhere we go always want me to decide him. But are you if you call the shots girl and say, maybe I have one girl's days out or whatever. Yeah, call the shots and say, maybe I have one girl's day out or whatever.
So when me call you favorite girls day out now, you there Kingston. And you now come down till we are next week. And suppose at that the time that me have money, and by the time you come down your money down, so it don't really make no sense again.
You don't worry about money. You don't worry about money, girl. You know if you're not happy, me I go always happy. You understand? So if I say you will call me there town, that's why I say we have to make plans first. So if you know so if you go somewhere, you want to go Friday, you tell me like call Wednesday. So I know so I do what I do. I do what I do in this time and then I know say that the day me go have somewhere to go.
And one thing me have to say, you know, if you do that scammer man hard, I would never do that scammer man. Because why?
Why you would do that scammer man?
I'm gonna tell you something. Me your friend. We got school, we grew up with each other in the same part. You know, but if you tell you the truth, as a friend, as a scammer man, it's just for a period of time. Everything might good now, you know. But you see later down, trust me, in a normal life I gonna take a toll pound no.
Like, basically, I said I'm going to take a real turn, Pawi. I'm going to make you understand this now. And every scammer think is same. And every scammer put their money to use. You understand? Alright. You realize that some scammer make some money and then go buy bike. I just buy it, they want to invest in a. Alright. Check your ratio now. When they start ride up your bike, cause some of them fussy now. What you think to them after? Words on the bike. Is that they crash? Police start torment them, take out the bike and one bag of things. Let me tell you with my boyfriend now. My scammer boyfriend. I mean, I really want to address him in a that kind of way. So you see, my baby, him put fee money to use. And him not fussy. Him not even to go past certain ends, go enough up himself. Alright. So one party I keep Wednesday. Me and him sitting and we say, B, what if we do? We supposed to get a party or you want to go support them and spend 30 minutes and then come back over yard. I saw my boyfriend think. I saw him pre-life. Him not say I'm going to make one bag of money and take the money, go do all kind of things out the road with it. Or him go with him friend, them gonna go shop. No. So you see, I understand what you say. But my boyfriend, him understood the assignment. I have to give him that. Understand? So I not say what I do right. But I don't like say I kill nobody. I'm not kill nobody. I'm just a try to make a way out. So respect for what you tell me about my boyfriend. He's not like the others. You understand?
Me understand what you say, you know. But you know, I can't come and stay with that so. But me and your friend, me know you take this the wrong way, you know. It's just that me care about you and me always look out for you as a sister. Even though we're not blood sister, but me still have to look out for you because me no want nothing to you.
No, girl, you're good man. You're good man. Me don't know why, but me not, honestly, me don't know why you even said that out your mouth a while ago though.
So what?
Say, me don't want me a friendship and blah. Listen, you know me from a longer time. You see from me say loyalty, and that me work with. So, me not too big, me not too young, for you can sit me down and say something to me and me feel a way about it. You understand? Me have reasonability, so you don't have to think the way they again. Because just like me would have said the same thing to you. Me could have turned to you and say something to you and I say, you know, say such and such. Me would want you to understand and interpret the right way if me not get it the right way. You understand? So don't worry about that, my friend. Don't worry about that. As me say, you're my boyfriend. Good. You know, see how me I live.
As long as you're alright, you know, and you're happy, you're comfortable, that's fine by me. You understand? Oh boy, for you see me I draw my words them you see how me look everything you can see it's me tired. So you're gonna take me leave you know. Cause true you say you're there one me say me have to take the time to come look for you for a long time you know see you know.
Yeah, I tell you.
Cause you do road.
But it's alright, just
oh by the way. Remember some fish fire come up, you know. But nobody said me I take this as advantage. I love this scammer man, but Panda day them ones in come scam out the bar, you know.
don't worry yourself,
Support
man.
the bar, you know me but I can buy them for food, then I pick carry to them, you know.
Alright, don't worry yourself, man. Alright.
Yeah man, big up yourself later.
Walk safe.
Yeah man.
Why should I use you know?
Yeah, did that with father. So me do up on the game of going see so. Yeah, they rock them. You don't see your boy? No, I saw them on there bro on their own a turf there, you know. But see, I am all like a piece of food, and so I am a get a bigger piece, so not to know.
Boy, me all a pre-film style thing, dog.
I like that for this.
Cause you know, dog, them man they never really fought on the block in the dog when they cheese in them pocket, you know.
I tell you like a thing like that. Oh no.
Bad man, oh, yeah, like a thief, no bother with that.
You can't buy 10 lights,
But me
you
test.
can't buy a pack of
Yeah,
lights,
come in
you
your
can't
cashy.
buy all the lights
I know your cashy, man. You have to deal me, so. You have to deal me, so, of course. No, no cashy, man, but I say, fear boy.
Yeah.
I'm not too love him emotion, dog. Cause right now, you really youth for them, man, dog. Cause see, they are up on the block, save me, dog. And a normal out and stay so, dog. But no care what go on, brother. I never see them on the circle back the block. When he clear food and stay so, you know, dog. All the time, them man, they link up and when film think them get problem in it.
I know that.
And fee money can't clear, you know, my
I know,
friend.
so all the look about dogs just show me the place and see me up on them on the block, so they like, I'm on them, boy, they from over Swallowing.
Which boy?
You want them
They waste man them from down here,
Yeah,
sir.
man.
She same thing, me tell her, dog. Some of them me no fool you. Some of them me no done shred me tell her friend when that me say me say it here, dog. Come you. Come the one of them man took dog, she even know me pray the boy, you know, dog. You understand?
You all we are one, brother. You're supposed to start praying, though.
Right now, you're not shady even know, dog. Cause the boy then deep is a business for me to see me, dog. And every time film, I'm sure I say anything in swing upon with dog, we always deal 100%, dog. No buck shuffle, dog.
So different. Also about what the people them when they go sir, you never get no food what that.
Come like you just a pick up on me, like you just a pick up on me forward offer. If you get my child, sure. Them man they love them man if you ain't go grow and use them, my friend. Dog, watch them man they have big old bees park up in there, dog. Right now, see this a piece of food I just reach. I prefer buy one bike and license it and go and come see dog and stay so.
Bike,
You
man,
see me?
right now, come out with a bike, girl, brother.
Yeah, but you have buy me now, no, say a foot me I use.
Yeah, man.
Me just so go in I buy curl, them man they have, but you man, more than one can buy BCS, but the man them not do the thing right, bro. But fear boy not do the thing right, bro. Cause I know some never shot it, you know. And him can't say me shot him, you know.
Watch. You see, if it's a fool up online, if you don't make you get to, you have to get a problem.
Brother.
Sister,
Well, you know, hear me say, you swear that's why I go adapt me the meds.
look here.
But me like you say it before me, the show say me up on the same page.
Oh, man.
Cause some man retain that.
Yo, I don't know levels, bro. I'm glad so you link up as well. It's like, you see.
No man, but just go and watch him stay, cause as I said, all the way I want still no dog, all the way forward from far no dog. Watch no dog can't make some man a drain energy so better. I get back a light that to that, cause you tell me light out like yours.
Company like
Watch no man.
But different though. What do you think that your man that are there now? I page him.
You know, so nice time I pray, but it's to me feel now. We go page him now.
Yeah, no.
Vibes are gonna bring him dog, so we make it cool off us dog, you see me? Yeah, man.
I watch him too.
And I'm pray for lift up this dog right now, make a circle in front me, I pray.
I say, yeah, you know what, I should.
Two of them come down from Senti, what they my boy.
Wow.
What?
Can you see a drink tonight then?
You know man, you know first time.
Yeah, man, go man. You can't come from again with it.
Yeah, my brother. Bad man, you know how long me have from you in a real life? No, sir. From the time they tell me a thing, brother, you me a wait pan car. What I remember saying, you know? Nothing too going for me right now, one construction, what me just done deal with now, my yo. Just mix up some concrete and something and just take a beard and say me a get a shot. Cause me not really understand, cause from the time they tell me say, yo, risk and thing. I wonder where they pan now. You say everything active and now, basically, I can jump in or what? Yeah. Where's the link up? Bad man, you know how long me wait for you so you change up your things certain way. Yeah, man. Because right now, all what day, I see two girls, first thing them say me broke and I not no money. And a scammer man them love. And you see, true, me ain't scammer. I couldn't do nothing, me share, me have to hold me head straight, but I want to change up the game now. When they see me, they have to look for me good. Yeah. Yeah. What time, so my brother? 4 o'clock. Jaja God. Alright, watch out now. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, that's a 40 then. 3 o'clock. Me a call link you 3 o'clock sharp. Which part? Hot chocolate or mumsel. Alright. We are portal man. Hot chocolate or mumsel. Alright. Alright. Alright.
General.
Yeah, my bro.
Yeah, bro.
So me there, I'll build up and look out and do. Pop out as my star.
Real nice. So you say I link about now, cause when
Boy.
you show up, me have to forward right away, you know.
Yeah,
Come here.
man.
Some little errands to do, you know, you go.
Well, say, why I'm not, even you check for me early and still now. I'm so busy. I'm going to grab a little stiff. You know, so I can't hold it with them.
That's cool.
Good with more than my side said, do you? Knock up your brain. You know, I go. Hot in my brain. So, different still. I hear one look at chat, you know. Because that piece of food that we chop out here. You give my boy something out there, sure?
Yeah, man, a perfect cut, man.
Sure. I'm not sure if on the block said you something now. You 1 and 2 shot and make, you know. I nothing good, you know. But I nothing bad either.
Well, listen, you see, I think more to understand. I don't want to feel like to become flexible and spin off certain things and do certain things. You know, we too know. I'm going to say we start from the level era. So
Watch out. See it? You even said that, you know, and that me I talk about. Me I talk about. Look, all the way there for hungry days. All the way there for money days. You see what I say? Yeah, follow up the road too much and I link click with too much, man. You see? Right now, you want that spliff? Because me really need to sit down and reason. Me turn up here so I chat right now. I sit down more and I sit down and read.
You know me really pressure you with. Me not say ropes.
Yeah, I slip out of this. Okay? Just get it, you know. Hot. At least I that one there, so. Look at again. And then say hot, brother.
Terrible.
Is this sir?
Bomb pan scout.
Is it?
A real time.
I just pull up on a block and just because of that, I say thing, man. I say, oh, that sample, man. I say, oh, that sample. Mad, don't you?
I take a one split, because I don't want to say, boy, you offer me. I'm going to get you. You know what I mean?
I know I'm all proven. Take one look one.
Yeah.
Put this on my pocket.
Yeah, put it this.
But what me I say though? Long and short is this. You all out for there on good terms. Me know, cause me tell you see one thing to you see if you not come and say certain thing to it, we can't know what go on. Cause if you move sideways, me in my brain I say alright, in switch, I go so. And bro, remember saying you know certain things about you know.
No man, listen. Hold on.
Me talk no man.
Make it talk.
Me talk no man. Remember say you there you know.
Yeah.
You know the ins and the out. So I know you can't link with certain man, you can't link with the enemy certain. Although we're not an enemy, because our enemy is dead. But me I say you can't link with competition. You see star. Come say them the man there now. Remember say client where the boom bang right. And them the man that they jag with the client there. And me here say them the man they are rolling.
Yeah, man. And I roll with. That's why I stop it from this and I roll with. In a heal a nigga, that means you're with a nigga. So straight and plain those healings. You understand me? Most time when people say you was a star you know, or you was a youth where, you know what I mean, in the streets where I make it, then we claim me and say, boy, yeah, me and them a roll. But from you understand, say,
but still not
just a heal. It's a heal, man.
Still not trusty.
Just a heal and then guess
what now?
The conversation we supposed to be a minute and it be 5 minutes, but it's a heal. You understand?
So I'm not trusty. Because if a man can see his head pray and come to me and I say, that means either something goes so or go close to so.
Well, that's true still, but as I say, you know close to it or you know go so.
Right now we need to have all of me, said we. We need to link bad dogs, said I make bad dog. Because I'm tell you, say, you know, I'm not easy for pre-corrupt, you know. But you know, that me. You don't know about the rest of man them. Because remember say if police go so booms now hold you have information from the whole away.
I understand. But as I said, don't pray that way there.
Make a weekly.
Listen me, I say. Don't pray that way there.
Yeah. So you know how that go.
Yeah.
So how you go on differently? Because a good one, I not stay a long time in a reason.
And that man, that's what I try to share. So when you shout me, I have to run up me, have to ropes and answer really thing.
You understand? Me have a right to see you switch up train a car. From that piece of food they jack down, bro. I not see you.
What
you plan for do?
Alright, now I'm planning for you to buy a car and buy just buy something better, comfortable.
Watch out, don't put in your name though, you know. Don't put in your name. You know the feds don't stay.
That's true, you know.
Yeah.
That's
You
true.
best you put all in your woman name.
Mm-hmm.
Put in your woman name, man.
Mm-hmm.
I'm go and put all around sometime too.
That's true, man. I
Yeah,
game.
man.
I game, you know.
You know a game.
I game.
I say a game set, bro. When you put in your woman name, you know, say alright, that's safe.
That's true. A good advice you give me.
That was good advice. You know, say me now you know wrong advice, my bro.
Respect that, man. I swear to God. You know what I mean?
Remember saying, that's why I tell you, say, you see, the fox you not link up. Why not my brain? You out here the crap. You out here the foolish.
That's true. You know. I hear you say I'm leap, and you know, as me say, long and short. Me personally, I said to myself, say,
Yeah.
because I'm sure me not do nothing. From me sure say my road straight, me not really worry about certain things. But you're right, me have to link up and make you know
man.
the whole crew knows everything go on.
We have to know
You
how
understand?
man. We have to know how going.
Alright, so you make a do. I touch the road, you know, and thing, you know.
So, when you say that job?
Eh?
When you say that job?
I organize it for next week.
Next week.
Yeah, cause some brand new shipment. You know what I mean? Shipment. Yo, we shall get it. Yes, sir. Alright.
Rich a lie. Brother, I go on in badness, I know.
I'm general.
Yeah, boss, you saw the sun hot, man, and then hot sun, you call me up, man.
Nah, man, you are going, you have to understand, say, work, and we can't turn off the sun. You know what I mean?
No,
Nature, natural cause. But you know,
Mm-hmm.
as me say, I really want somebody I can trust, and the only person I can trust. You understand me? I say trust. I mean, say, money I make. And when money I make, you know, so people kind of think one certain way and get corrupt and all them something there. And, you know, I want you to know, say, boy, I trust you. You know what I mean?
Me understand.
Yeah, cause as me say, for your role now, I just feel make sure say everything, you know, secure. And no man is an island, no man stands alone. You know that's something there.
Yeah, me know, but what you know, but I don't really that me want to know still now when me fall in, you know, cause me wait how long, you know, man.
Alright.
And me want to know much percentage you make me know. Cause what you know, remember say me young, you know, I'm fresh in that thing, you know, me don't know what
I that man, that's why me assure you so right now. The more you work, the more you make. But remember say it's not what you work. Or you save. You know what I say?
Me understand.
You drink rum?
No, sir.
You smoke?
No, sir.
Alright, that's very cool. Because for you know, say, you know, do them something that you will prosper in that business. Yo, it's scamming business and one normal thing, bro. So you can't follow them, what them do for them.
But then go... No, me can't follow them. Remember, you bring me in a game, you know, exactly. So me have to watch the thing from and learn. Because he right now, you teach me the code right now, you know. And you are going to teach me sauce, you know, say, all right, watch I know. Things are going to happen.
Because you know, I say money I make.
So you try to, I a head chef now in a kitchen, you know, my friend. So I have to take care of all like his staff and so forth.
You know that, man. So I might tell you, say, you don't have to worry about the role where you play. Remember, say, Fran, me say, business and you secure a certain way, you don't have to worry about money. Me is a man where I say, boy, yo, I'm a woman and, you know, like, money I make I know, so I want somebody who I can trust, as I said before, and I just said it. You understand what I say? But I make your see what I go and I get there. Money I...
Bossy, me not lie to you, know. No, for me, I walk from up the hill, me I look on 5,000 if you could give me if you go down.
I say don't worry about money, man. You worry about money for? Me can't make a
look money me go work today, you know. Look money me work today. Me take by nice clothes cause me know say from me link up with a different ball game and me no want look shaky or type thing.
Nah, man, you're good, man. Listen, man.
Yeah, man.
It's not like I want face card thing. I want thing where, you know, we are secure money. You hear me say? And about looks and rate take. So you can't follow them.
Boss, so you try to tell me say. So me can't wear me dirty ugly clothes them then.
Me not say dirty ugly clothes. Because we are decent, you.
Yeah, that
forward, man. Alright. I'm gonna show you what I got. See?
Alright, boss.
Alright.
Why would it take you so long?
Boy. I'm not job. New general, you know?
Okay, hi.
One Bulby, Pinky, you know what I mean? But yo,
Nice to meet you.
Soon talk. Yeah? Alright. So I'm gonna
Nothing.
everybody I know is like me I try you know trust the youth and work with. And means I'm not trust them, I say them not do nothing. But it's a based on the facts I'm not really party. I'm gonna go certain places and know at some point I'm gonna pray that. Cause I make money, I'm secure, I'm gear and ready to become like some boy. Them don't really like that something. So I'm not gonna take no check certain way more as money if you can, you know? See what I've gone, extra eyes.
So, you trust him?
Alright. I'm like a G from country, man. You know what I do? Cause it's like right now I'm gonna tell them I need some money I can't trust me, extra eyes. You understand what I say? I good youth man. You know smoke and you know drink. And them the things that's stuff you have to, you know, identify within a person and in character.
Me? Listen, to tell you the honest truth, you have to know what you do. Because money build friend and it break friend. I will want to call them, carry them in, and then let them back out. You understand? So you have to know what you do, be.
I know man, let me tell you.
And then I realize, say, before you start make money, some of your friends them used to pour up and all, they know they're running again.
Yeah, because
right?
surface.
So, this a friend where you see you trust 100% your Alright.
I tell them I youth from country. People change, you know, cause I youth where and grow up and things kinda set away. I'm not sure about the 5 years I'm not see him still. But he say no smoke and no drink. You understand? So I have to worry about certain things. Cause I don't, you know. My version internet see me not really and flex certain way. Then we pray me. I mean know that. But I'm a business brother part there, you know. But long and short, you don't know say things get bigger now and I want to buy one car and so forth, but you don't know so I can't put in a mind. I want to buy a house and so forth, you don't know so I just say falling. What do you think? That make sense?
Of course that makes sense, B. No me make this together so when they ask me what me think. Anything I say Allah. You understand? But
I'm trusting in a baby girl.
yeah, me trust it too.
And a friend nothing to something.
One thing about me do, you need to keep one eye on the youth.
Good man.
You get me?
You understand?
No, B, I just a feeling when I get where I come in right now. You understand? I know some my girl that checked me. My girl that checked me yesterday, you know.
What a few friend there?
Yeah.
You know, so my pass I want now and then, but it's because your friend, my friend. You know, really, you know.
That
I'll heal her a certain way.
Yeah.
I don't want you to feel like say, you know, thing where.
She checked me yesterday, man, and me and her did a reason and thing until she just take her a little time about her business.
What was she really said that? When you go out again and thing, okay, you busy with me, so busy with me.
No, be me I told her so we can take one girls day one at a time.
No problem.
You understand? So she has say, she just start looking for me say, well, I'm always if you tell me Monday, I come Monday they are town. You are your man. So me just start in there and tell her, say, no man, I'm like that. Just tell me like, if we all go Monday, you tell me from we would have call, you know, be Saturday.
Saturday weekend.
Yeah. So what mean already?
In there, go come in now.
I'm tired.
Yo, I'm so forward, yeah. Yeah, man, can I see this? Yeah, I'm so forward.
Man, I'm tired.
Money come fast, but you leave with a cost. Everything gained, but something lost. From the root where the loyalty starts, now it break everything apart. Curse of the lottery, curse of the prize. Make real people start pick sides. Yeah, used to walk road with nothing in hand. Now everybody watching and making plans.
Hello?
Trust disappear like footprints in a
Yes,
sun.
I get
Smile in your face, but them don't
because
understand.
you know so if I call you and I'm gonna hear me. Alright. Go on.
What happened?
What did happen?
A long time ago, sir.
Not really.
Hmm?
Not really.
No, true, when I call me, take one little time before I come down the half 5 stairs.
Not good.
My girl look good though. Wow.
Thanks.
Come now, you're afraid of.
Oh, we are going. You never know.
Come like you're afraid of. Alright, you want to talk.
How can I talk yourself? We not go inside.
Yes, you want to talk.
We not go in.
So I can't believe that I have me yard and I have to tell up on my own gate.
Sorry.
What?
And then I hack.
Come,
Time hot, you know.
come, shit up me yard. So
Me there. To tell you the truth. I know, I said, when I come up here last night, when I feel no lie, when I go, I kind of feel uncomfortable. I never feel so good. I sleep and I sweat and I wonder, actually, I worry myself. I know, yesterday last night when I said to you, say, but scammer man, and then look, they still feel away, because I wonder if you pre me. In a no bad way. You know what they look away about? I just want for your safety. I don't want nothing for you. I just want to say they're on the right track because I take care as a sister. So I just feel very uncomfortable.
So hold on there, Franny. But that is still upon.
Yeah.
Girl, me tell us the last night so everything good. So where you say worry yourself about? Alright, here we go now. Right now my baby I drop one new brand car, soon drop one new brand car.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and plus remember saying you have 3 of them when you have park up and thing. And you want to go drop one more again.
That's nice.
Yeah, so.
For him, man, he do a good job, but he might drop so many cars and put none on the road.
If you do what?
If he put none on the road.
I may try to tell you, say, you see, so may I tell you about. You see, broke scammer. You see, wise scammer. Listen, my baby have 3 vaccines on the road. 2 are Juta and 2 they do taxi work. My baby have all we call it water truck on the road.
Juta and 2 do taxi work.
Juta 2 are. Listen, 2 and that. You know, listen, girl, because you get me confused now. Because I remember say that you go weird on the details about my man now, you know. So I try, listen, you see the one away I buy now? And the most expensive one I put in my name. So basically, everything my baby doing just put them in my name. You understand? Yeah. So you have to just, I tell everything that you know, say, my scammer man, wise. A business head that. You understand?
I understand, but I don't really come off it up, but you're scammer man still. I just come off and know say you're not pre me pan no.
Yeah, but basically the same thing. Because of him was the argument about last night. Where you come off with the topic was about him, the scammer man. So so me just tell you basically what they go on and you say hope him put this. But anyways, yeah man. So where you say the plan is out?
No, I go up on my shop because
I
have some things to do in shop. Oh, he did fish fry, he push back. Reason being, I never get as much fish and I will leave a order me get. I'm not rush nothing, but I want to remember the date. I'm going to send a flies from my phone.
Girl, don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry about the fish fry. Don't worry about the fish fry.
I'm not worried.
Which, I never tell him nothing about it yet, you know. But him inside now, so I'm going to tell him. As soon as I go through the gate.
Alright, remember to tell him, come tell him from last night and look on the time now.
No, you're good, man. That's true. So, what? Let me be ready. I met love girl. I never remember nothing about that. Come.
That's not my business.
Alright, so I met her, so I never remember nothing about that.
Alright, then later.
Yeah.
Call her for nothing.
Just like more weird vibes, I know.
One signal I work in the house, star.
Baby. Yeah, must so fast, be.
Mama, that's something that you do, man. I want to go. You good?
Well. Before you go up on the road, I have something to tell you. So, I see my friend there, she keep on fish fry. And you know she go over to come and support her team.
Which part you keep?
So, right around the lane, you don't know where she live.
I must say we don't really love Tara certain place, you know?
Yeah, remember say she have the bar. The bar within her yard.
Oh, come on, never know I was friend, you know. Come on, just friend. You know, here as a friend.
Oh,
you
no,
know.
man, it's the thick friend, man, her has come check me. Not the slim girl, the thick one.
I babe, me, I tell you, you're a slim girl, eh? Yeah, son, but it's alright. Forget about that. Yeah, man, me not really trust
What do you mean by forget? Wait.
No, like certain things when me, you know, certain movements when me I see, certain things when me see, me not really, you know what I mean? A long time I want to tell about that, but me not really have a community of friendship and tell you who you can talk to because you're wise. You understand me I say?
Okay.
And you can feel stuff with your own energy, that's why I say if I want she. You understand?
Well, I told you for now before the fish fry keep. So where you see I make you go?
Yeah, man, we can go, man. We can go. Let's organize up. A girl who can cook fish, though.
Yeah, she can fry
Because
fish.
fish are sitting, you know, I can hot your belly, you know, man.
Be
Poison, you know.
relax now. Alright, even if I don't want to eat the food, even if you don't want to eat, you just buy it.
That's true.
You understand?
Support.
Yeah. I mean, know your style already, you go buy all 4. And you not eat none.
That.
But you know me love my belly already.
No, but
You
if you
come
not
as
cook
on
for
to
me,
fish. Yeah, me know be, but if you support our thing, man, me can't just do that and not even taste one piece of fish. I know they will be. Not just.
It is
So,
what it is, man. I thought you already know. So you don't know anything, but I go forward back in a certain time.
keep safe, keep safe.
Love you, my baby.
Love you more.
Alright. Yo, my general! Ready?
Yeah, man. You know, so me know the girl they do. Yeah, man, a long time. When they still doing a boss.
Me forget you know her from them long time.
Yeah,
But
a long time they still in the boss. Everything
man.
good though.
yeah, man, everything good, man. A good girl. You don't know anything. I don't really mess around with people who are joker and play around and irritate. A good girl, man. She prove herself.
Oh, the girl
I
there.
mean, she prove herself.
Oh, come on, no boss, you ready, you know.
Right, cousin.
Well, go on.
How are you, sir? Like a good thing we walk around on the road that day. How long I see girl like you? Just don't get an phone, sir.
No, man, I saw something I try to finalize, you know.
Judge, I know.
Yeah,
I said that a long time, I don't see you be like you, my friend. I don't tell you a lie. A lie.
I don't lie.
They are lucky you not go on the right and stay, sir.
Why?
So life a cheater, though.
If you tell her, to be honest, it a go on good so far still, you know.
You like to hear that still, isn't it? No,
Yeah.
lie. Because you know, they want like a soft hearted little girl, they're very sorry for everybody in the time. But they're really sorry for nobody these days. You know.
Not that true.
You see me? So you
Yeah,
know,
my
you
heart,
have to just watch your heart. You know, I know say a long time we even link up, you know.
True,
So when you
man.
pray, you know, we have some style, you know. Believe.
Yeah, but you know what I mean? I keep on looking fish fry though.
When?
Yeah, man. Few days from now.
Oh gosh, man, cause man, I'm trying to say, yeah, man, give me number. You know, shot me flyers in.
Yeah, man, me
What
do
the
that.
fuck?
So
Put the number
what
on
go
the
on
phone.
in your life? What kind of work you do and then look at something there?
You know, if we work, man, you know. You know, if we work, man, you know, if we style already. We cheat line, you know, nothing else. 9 to 5 an hour style, you know. I understand. 9 to 5 now make you live my life, you know. Like big old 40 ball, I see myself a drive right now. 15 million, you know, man.
Speaking into belief.
Yeah, I mean, if you bang your line with bravery out here, I tell you that. Yeah, yeah, man, if you work and believe, you surely achieve, man.
That's true.
But know yourself, man,
But make sure
because...
you have the right company around you. And make sure you're not involved in no gun business, no gang war. Me no want hear saying that something there again.
You know, I said, well, cousin, I was show man all the rate some time, I go show some levels. But actually, I don't really say, man, in no gang or no gun business, but actually, for them boy, they see they start elevating and make money, you know, and go pray, you know. So we have to make sure so we have a fire active, warm for them. I understand. Because watch me now, you know. Young to what day dog, they make a little piece of food and 4 boy go buy a little jeep. I be a war man them a pray for the ends, but all that little juvenile they start going with the same man them would send payments to we so.
But why would I do a thing like that? Just
Like
say
me
that
try to show you
again.
such a so what I said to me a while ago. And that's why I try to tell and I say we want involved in certain things, but we don't know better. Because we have to protect full life, because we can't work hard and dead left for what we achieve.
But
I would even achieve nothing yet.
What I really
You
want
see
to
me?
ask you, though, what I really and truly want to ask you,
Believe man.
these money where you're making, you put it to good use?
What yourself
you
about
have
that
a
man, because
business.
what should I do?
Mm?
The business not really started yet, I
No, me no
about.
want to hear that. You know the amount of
So
money
kick off,
me
man.
hear say you make, and you want to tell me the business so kick off?
You
You're
have
not
to
even
live life now
start
while
now.
you Give me say start, live alright.
You
know,
see,
some
part,
take your advice,
no,
though.
you know, say be a party in your brain and smoke, watch there. Smoking.
Yeah, best
If
cushion
I
for
be like
buy
you go
man.
build up one bar or you put one
$1,000
taxi
spliff
on the
in a
road, or you start up one food shop or some breakfast.
But at that, when I made tonight time to tell you the truth, still not coming up, put like a restaurant on the front round there, so.
did that pray.
You see me? Yeah, what member say, you know, at time do everything. You see style?
I'm gonna tell you something. Time do everything, you know, but this way you have, time will take it away from you as well.
Yeah, no.
So you know what you want, cause and all the time this is hot.
Where say man?
Sometimes it gone down low where you say, John, know if me did
God, I
know,
go provide, man.
me woulda do this or me woulda do that. Now wait till when it catch to if me did know.
Listen, man, I understand what you're saying, but I say, this thing I see way, nothing is promised. See, you have to live like a bird. You say bird live, every day
Free.
bird get up and just, every day bird eat. Bird never go in bed hungry one night. And the bird no store nothing, the bird just live. So you have to live like a bird and the bees and be free, man. You understand? But I take your advice still. I could have one little bar or something, man.
But
Push up
remember
on the front,
grandma
you see me?
always say, who can hear, I go feel. You
I
understand?
don't feel this thing, you see me, I'm saying, how long they have me done the say run the morning, so. That's why you see me, I leave a circle back up as a friend in time they need it, you know, but a regular day still.
Just
Keep
keep
yourself,
yourself
man, you see?
safe.
Just know so you come pull up. When I say I fry fish
Few
again.
days, you got my number, me send a poster.
Shut up, I'm saying my bad artist, you know. I'm going to pump on the shirt, you know.
Yeah,
I'm
man,
say,
me-
who want to go out the thing, because you see like you said this thing already. I know this is a thing I want to do for all our life, but you know, it's better than a 9 to 5 that because $15,000 a week now do nothing for we, you know.
Sometimes, you know, boy, up to you, you know,
A
me can't choose
$450
for you,
pound
you
for
know.
chicken right now. Look on that. Tell me true. Tell me true. I have to pay $1,000 every day for fare. Out of $15,000. And then $420 pound for chicken. I can't eat out of that.
Me
So
understand
you know,
what
we
you
have to
say,
do a
but-
thing, but no, say music is real price. So just pump on the show. We
Alright,
do
me
not tell
add
some
a
I can
name
shake
on
you.
it. One J new cause.
Everybody say new to us.
Alright.
Believe no, cause
Believe.
watch your style now, Zane.
Believe kill and
More
believe
do
cure.
I have to do, you know. You
Yeah,
see,
man,
because
later.
time I get late, you know, I don't feel like a side there, you know, because them police want not to rate me up and need it, so. What do I feel, you see?
Yeah, man, I want
Mechanical,
taxi
isn't
man
it?
me away pan figure something come give me
No,
money.
I'm still glad to see you still. So go and take care of yourself, yeah?
As always.
And keep out a problem, just like you tell me if you keep out a
You
problem.
ever
too.
hear say me in a problem yet?
No,
Man
but
go on the
watch
ways
your
there,
man.
man, and leave me
Watch your
alone,
man.
yeah.
It's a first see everything.
Well,
Right.
there's no first for my one.
I hope so. I
Later.
hope so. Alright, that's it.
Hello? Where they? Me there out so me and some man, come.
Get up, man.
Yeah, man, look at you, brother.
They are roadside, all you know. How they are get to this. So I start.
And then they are still, they are roadside still.
Bro,
Like, me not
I'm
best
coming to
to
this
see
if
it,
I
brother.
can't check it in time. But you know it's time. I must pull up now. Look here, I see the idea.
Watch out, look for this.
Yeah.
You know, like me have this. Me all I tell some stash done, run now, right? Me stress out.
They have fun at you, don't even know. Watch out.
Oh, yes,
Sir,
man.
can we make a bad circle
Brother,
for
me
one
tell
of
you,
my
say,
dog
yo.
them?
And I'm lucky, I bless me. You have a good old
man.
kusha come give me, you
If you
know.
have a friend like me, I must blows and
Brother, right
skirt
now,
bless.
that's what work more I'm going to put in right now, my friend, and can't focus.
Take it not tight right now and gear.
Yeah, man, you know, say night time, sheet them hard to, you know.
All this, man.
Alright, so that's a family, sir.
Hold on for that, man. I'm team,
Alright.
man. I know, say I say badness.
I'm going to tell you so that I have to go, I have to go invest on something in your business, boy.
Invest in my business.
Your business is good.
You go on,
Like
man.
it good, brother.
If I went to your start, if you start, and I'm mad.
Yourself, man.
You see if I can
I'm just
distribute
chat to one of my cousins, them, and them give me a liquor. But you know, fair for them style, no, but
Love that time, man.
but and even that more tell about still.
Mm.
You know? Fear, you know, someone like a bird, it pinch me to a dog. Remember they come link me on the block where they see me one night there.
Yeah.
Make sure I pray.
Yeah. Oh, what that one then?
And like a bird come tell me, say, yo, I knew man, they see my roll with and a man of them didn't even know, you know. Some of the priests and them man, they are roll with import here right now, you know, we don't know about, you know. Such an honor, my friend. The man they have migrant man with the deed.
Yeah, tell man, what you say?
Yes, with me tell us, say, yo, we money they short. You come like a somebody else in my peer. Come I say, when I eat that, you know, my friend. I say, a good school, the guy, you know. I say, Rushie's high school, the guy, you know, my friend. And I like how much them are missing, you know, my friend, when they do a addition, you know. And we minus, you know, my friend. Such a dog. So, I find out, say, well, I cash on me, tell us, they're missing up on we. Or somebody else pocket, they're going, we don't know about. And they come like, say, I feel things, so nothing but the boy. I take full money, my friend. I push for them agenda around there, so. So I try to show you, say, dog. I'm glad that you even know, brother. I say, this is what they give me right now. You got me concentrate right now. Because I find a strategy for them, you know.
Remember, say, all out your one link said, when all out your friend, you know, bro.
I'm watching it. I watch it.
So,
Yes,
right
I understand what you're saying.
Watch
Me or still.
You hear me, I tell you, bro.
Because I never tell you no foolishness, you know. So
Yeah, tell me this right now, you not even know me, I met evil. Because,
yeah.
You see, before I pull up here, so, and the one place, I see that. No joke. You wanna tell me, say, I'm buy all a car next week. You see style? I don't know, go and come setting, bro. So let me show you a pre now. No, in fact, say, I show me all them the levels there, brother. And you tell me about import tea. And you tell me about new link. Brother, watch out.
Yeah.
If man in a circle and we don't know about that man there, that hour. That a imposter.
What do you mean if an imposter? I know, I'm sure no, say a boy they know about we.
Not even that. The man not show me them pre there. Oh, me and the man feel link up. Second of all, I show him man certain levels said and I show him say, yo, he might move like he might switch for anything and the man make me know say no. So you are telling me this right now, you not telling me I'm very dark right now, brother.
I'm try to share about you know. I don't see me the men's now man, you know. But look on the levels, dog. Zane. Look on the levels, remember say, you know.
Then
from
the
first time, you know, with the talk say, yo, everything I go share right, you know. One after the next. So they say, yo, you go buy a bike first.
Yeah.
Him buy a bike. Then me buy a bike. Remember say you buy a bike and the man cannot think and go buy a car. And you tell me say man go buy a next car now. And I know me I'm praying a man thing and I'm a friend. That
the man say you get piece of food. That the dog show me say you get
piece of food from who. You see if daddy, you see him time. You see your money, right? You see your money around dog. But you ain't gonna take a deed for your business. Yeah. I'm tell you, get a piece of food, I see him there.
Yeah.
From that, I get no money, dog.
No man.
Capping.
I check you go have a right.
A different business, me they get paid half a right.
Brother, if you have a meeting, brother, I say same thing and you say, alright, I'm gonna connect. Like, are you
make you feel like say me I'll end up upside there, you know, so me even like them place them, bro. What make you feel me end up upside same city? Daddy, I outsource, man, I feel try outsource, because I can't go hungry, brother. You're mad. I'm tear dog, you're mad. Some people go see you in there and can't style, you know, that.
Yeah, now move right and I talk. Watch
gosh, my friend, I'm saying now, dog. My cousin, I know, say, fish I go on, my friend. There I got at least 1 5 buckler each I lift up, my friend. They tell me, say, dog, can't lay down my thing in the road.
Right now, I feel good.
Oh, because you're mad. I want nicest boss in a man. The first and the last in a man.
Look at that, look at that.
I'm tear, man.
Look at the man. Remember saying that, dog, we think no soft.
Watching about.
And one weak link in a chain. The chain weak.
It pop up. I'm not trying to share about you. I don't see weak link in, but at the same time, we can make them get weak corrupt. Because we go lose focus at the time. We now got to focus on the grind.
Not even know I expect to pre na dog.
So my dog.
It's like in things I'm not going to hear. Because I'm there in the street, brother. I'm there in the street. I hear everything. Despite our. Because if you never tell me this, I'm going to find out anyway, you know.
No, but you know. Remember saying, you know.
And then I pull up on them and one chat and start murder after all of them, you know. They say me evil.
That might try to share, so not but maybe in the try get into you liquor. If try show you the craft for him hand. Because he told me see it. It's like he might try take over, I think. I'm saying a dog. Remember, you know, the dog them where they supply, he leads them to you know. Him remember saying that him a deal with shit, you know. What you messing a man? You messing a man?
What kind of weed you
listen to me,
like you're mad.
Brother, listen to me, son, man.
Me say if you're mad, take over what?
No, you're not listen. I'm not saying can't take it over, bro. Me try to show you that the mentality was in the pants. So, you know, remember, I don't know, so you fully connect up, you know. So, not like you go can flick on you so easy, bro. So, certain things you go try keep in eye that, but catch you now.
Brother, your man come and link me, so you have to me say, it's like him make me know say, alright, carry a job. So you know I'm a pre nothing.
So you know.
So you have to, so I feel money I take a do with them.
Yeah, me say no. Yeah, me say no. Maybe fear money in it too. But no mind, no Friday if you tell us say I ain't buy a car for. Just look out and listen and he ain't gonna tell us say yo. I ain't buy a car.
We know say that tell lie.
Yeah, me tell her.
We know say you can't tell lie, brother.
I take off your sweets, man, my
We
friend.
know say you can't tell lie. I remember say when you just join the game, you know, brother. It take you months before you can tell white people lie, you brother. So right now you tell me I believe you 100% because I know say you not agree on the badness.
Sure.
I know say you not agree on the badness. I know say you not play the thing, bro. I know say you loyal to your circle.
I look on this, sir. I can know say I have a product and I go take this shine.
No, yeah,
spend my money, my friend.
I pull a program. I know you approach me and say nothing to him.
No, brother.
I deal with him low key. I see how long you want to take me for tell me.
Watch remember saying we have him no know say. He say I'm sure no. He say left one take weapon. He no know say few thing past that, you know. And that I think say sometimes they say you have to play a fool to catch a wise. Catch on my friend. Him no know say enough people my yap around. A people are so. So as he don't talk, my friend, we get all everything when chat up on a voice note. How them can link you and can show everyone down. So you know, just make him go and chat off him.
Different, you know. You see one of my wife up there. I line them on point of car for a longer days, more rated than you know.
Tear for tear, man.
Eat time, man.
No matter of fact, even tear in a mansion. Can't come in and get them, man.
I was blood.
Can't go down and get them, man.
Out there in the house and build me, I go knock you.
Number say, boy, go like him better than we, man. That boy. I back one hog stay one car go knock him, man. Sure, so, one tear, man, you know we. You know we.
Yo,
alright.
My dog.
Sure, man. But you know, say still. And like say one say rain about. We don't go get to link. I'm gonna make him get some sitting in. So if you want something, make you gain some fresh ducks in the car. Them want to jump in.
I'm forgetting something new said there, but then I reach it. Somebody go and run there when you think they'll time.
What you mean when they can't do right, man? Cause jump in for the black, you know. Go and do right. So
well, you get to you forget my bro.
Alright.
So anyway, go. I'm there and build up all of that just. Hold on.
We'll test the thing.
Wait.
Oh yeah, I said more.
Sick of my blows and scared. Yeah, I was like, I know I go.
The chatting.
We connect up, my brother.
Guidance panel. Big up yourself for that. Can you hear that?
Cool.
Believe. Your father God man, see it there. It me that wait for the lie.
Major discovery. Here we go
Hello.
again.
Yeah, man. So, it's a privacy me I call you. Search man up there.
But me never see money kill people. It's the love of money turn man to evil. So no blame the cash when blood starts spill. Money no bad, it's just how you abuse it. Some build life, somebody.
So, Alex.
Oh.
Long time for the assassin, you know, long more I can check you. Yeah, for your man, you know, when?
No, there.
I figured I'd come out the day if in there. That's why I call a friend in time.
Well, in gone on the road. So where they going with?
I'm just say, go and check if you are going. So everything good different. What new? Nothing new.
No, nothing new.
Nothing new.
Nothing new for you.
But some know say a long time you have like a thing going for me, you know, so you go and pretend like it, say, yeah. See,
That's a long time. That's for a long time.
Oh, that alone, man.
I don't know. That's for a long time. But anyways, me and my man good.
Good how?
Yeah, I mean good how? Good overall.
Good how?
Right now, I'll buy one car put in my name.
Yeah, me have to tell thanks right now. Oh.
What will you tell her thanks?
I'm tell him to do that. Then I must. You know say anything me say Allah. He come to me for advice despite I want a house, me make him buy a next.
So you tell me to put
Things are my things off. I tell you some love you like that, you know. I respect you a long time. Not because me you can't read, but you know, I have to make sure you govern. But see always.
And how would they hurt your feelings too?
What do you mean by what they hurt my feelings?
What they hurt your feelings back at it?
Yo, him no matter me. I make sure say him be right.
Yeah, go and like say him when I really in him though.
That's really chat.
So what happened different in me that ask you?
No, man. You might pull off too much style. That boy, they switchy. You see, from the switch from the circle, anything you can get, him have to take that. You know,
What mean by anything you get, you have to take that?
You must say, you done pick your side already, you know. From here start, you can pick your side, you know. That's on my side. Yeah, and him just a chat. Just because. But say, I hear my go and do your money, you know. I hold up a money that boy, the teeth, you know. And I know saying we spending last for you. You look at the moon and back. But you know, I know say I'm over here, so you're loyal to me.
My man not thief no money.
You go and protect him.
My man not thief no money at all.
Don't worry, man. Watch out.
So I don't know where they come with in the evening.
Watch out. Load that alone. As long as the money are coming. Remember saying, you all away, you know. You all away been at the same game. Because you think if you thief your white man, you not go thief your black man too. You go on. Them boy don't believe in a loyalty. I say one circle. But I have an idea. Him a link in the next circle.
Listen, lower your voice. You don't go on too much. Come on, know where up for your voice for.
Nah, man.
Eh?
Man. Just,
Anyways.
certain things just anger me, man.
Anyways, you know a new soldier I'm a par with?
You live on the right track. That more find out.
Let me ask you one question.
You know come from boy, I'm a dog. Cause you know say, I can't grow and go so when you come to you. Cause I know say you're not going. I'm a dog, I show me certain levels. So tell me what going on now. What's wrong in the boat?
I went off from with me and see I probably go 1 week now.
Hey dog, link me, you know, show me certain levels. I said just because you know you want to take off certain I know say yo. If you switch now, if me know say you switch like that, you know, I probably I'll do your man still, you know. I'm not about chat.
I'm not very man, Mr. Man. I know say I'm a man.
Chat here, man.
Eh?
I just want to make sure you're secure though. As long as everything is secure.
So what you do me?
I can't do it. Remember say we got you covered, you know. You're always covered. You're not nothing to worry about. That's why you have to make sure say we covered said way.
Right now, I'm not telling you the truth. I don't like it when you come and pull off right now. Right now, I feel paranoid. I don't like how you talk about me. Listen, I know some me used to do, but you don't have to come certain way off with certain things. I don't like how you're going right now. I don't like it.
Sorry about that, man. Don't worry yourself. I know that you worry yourself about certain things. So, you know, say a girl
so,
like
this. So, give me 50,000 now.
With that alone.
You know, say money in the bag, you know.
No, watch out. If me make money buy your car, you really look for. Are you forgive me 50,000?
Forgive 50,000.
And tell me thanks.
When me dey give me things, When me dey give me things, what do you come afterwards?
My things.
So still give me your things.
See you. So you go on, man.
Anyways, the brother we just a come in the camp me a worry about, you know.
Yeah.
So here we go on. Him not there right now, and me know say so forward. Me go pull through. Here?
Yeah, pull through.
Cause me don't want for them them a kind of mix, yeah.
Yeah, go on, man. Yeah, go on yourself. Now the dog can pull up at the tire. You know, I'm not trying to make that money go see me for them black man.
Baga, you good?
Boy, yeah, I wonder how I don't see how planning time because you tell me say earlier they come check me still, you know.
Yeah, man, here I go now. So, I'll show you the ropes. You see this is how you call it. Millions. This is millions.
But this is like a phone, yeah.
This, thousands.
Thousands,
But this, millions. You get what I say? I'll show you how
Thousands,
I go.
millions.
So, you have a few people to call my man. So, what we do is make them know, say, you know what I go? You know what I go?
No, me they hear one of me look you them they are banging line one day and me they hear him. He not talk like how we talk now. He speak is spooky.
Oh, you have to bang it with bravery. So you are going. So me get a phone now, you have to go actually talk to the person, convince them, say them actually win what they no win. So we can win. Whatever get them say.
No, give me explain
so
more to me.
Wait. Because that's not it. Yes, good morning, Miss. Yeah, man, it's your number one. Oh my God. How are you feeling this morning? So the money should be deposited in the account. Yeah, that same one. But remember to talk to no one. Okay? Yes. All right. $6,550. Don't forget the $50. $6,550. Okay? Yes. And remember, my name is Rob. Okay. Thank you. You come fast.
So you do it.
So you have one.
But you know that more I say to you, you know say more than glad, more than love if I could have give more $2,000.
No worry about the $2,000 money are forward. You understand me? I say?
No, but more than really want the $2,000. No, more than buy a new chip, put in a this.
No man.
And buy credit.
Listen me, I said, let's work with me. See? So I give one phone number to call. This is one I want fresh one.
So I'm here to call it.
Fresh. You understand?
Aja. So if
she named Miss Jameson.
Miss Jameson.
Yeah, Miss Jameson.
Hello? Miss Jameson. Me call from Jamaica. Awa.
Pass it, mute. You can't say location.
But no, I say no, me don't know about that. You have to explain to me. At first, me I do this something you go on like.
Well, actually, you say you hear. Money I do certain things.
Alright, watch out.
Yeah, listen.
What me fi say? Tell me for. Go on.
So you say, no, this is not Jamaica. This is Cuba. But, you know, we know Jamaican people. That's what I meant to say. You understand what I say?
Cuba. But me don't know when we tell them say not Cuba.
No, say, you are a lottery winner, and how do you feel?
In a Cuba?
In a Cuba. You come from Cuba. Just make sure you know. Switch from Jamaica. Switch location.
Alright. What you press again? Yes, ma'am. I'm here again. No, I never Jamaica. Me if you say a Cuba. Yeah, ma'am. No, I tell you say you win more money. Yeah. But yeah, man. Yeah, going good though.
Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah. No, man, you don't have to tell nobody, man. What you say? Hang up.
Yeah. Alright, you are going. You have to take it on different level. See? Don't worry yourself. Everything going good, man. You're going good, man. See? Just go on, just the bone. Because my bridge, I'm going to link me, you know. So, make them know, say, boy, you're rolling me certainly.
So, what you say me to do?
No worry yourself.
Me going good.
Me I'll tell everything what I'm going for a different time.
So that mean?
Eh?
For a different?
Yeah, for a different time. Because I guess I know. Right now, what we need to do
you really? No, I don't understand.
I'm going to show you what I'm going.
No, tell me what I'm going.
Me I give you a script. So, when we show you a script, you actually know say that you have to deal with.
See, they get all a client.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I'm hearing you loud and clear.
Loud and clear. That's nice. All right. So, could you give me like 10 minutes and I'll call you right back?
That sounds like a plan.
That's it. So have a wonderful day, ma'am, and I'll talk to you in about 10 minutes. Okay, ma'am?
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Thank you so much. All right? Alrighty then.
Yeah.
But no, sir, like you in your vein, man.
Listen,
you have to go teach me real way.
You talk to them, you can't make them know your language.
No, but you never tell me that.
That me I try sure.
Me hear them a twang, me hear them a something they attack and something, but when they know say so deep, they have to carry your voice.
No, man, you have to twang. You have to make them know say boy, it's not Jamaican.
Hello?
There's no that is it. Say it again.
Hello?
That is it, brother. You have to make them know.
Yo, we know that. Me know that.
So here,
but watch out now.
Later in the day, me send a script, you know, say boy, this about just with the same tone of voice. You understand? Forward.
Yes, Debbie. Yes. Okay. Since you said the money that we told you to pay, you said you paid half today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a new account for you to deposit the rest of the money into today, alright? Okay, Davey, give me 1 moment, I'm gonna call you back, alright? Bye-bye. Yeah, man, you know what I say? You really say your food active along.
Eh?
Yeah, man, want 10 ball. Drop.
10 ball.
You see me?
Yo, no soldier here now.
Mm.
I'm a family man.
Mm.
I get the man.
They're like, oh.
Bad, you know?
Yes, yes.
Fully
yes.
West, man, you know?
What that?
Same boy.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So, hello? Hello?
Hold on, just a moment.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, yes. How are you doing today?
Thanks for calling me back.
Yes.
Yes,
This
you
is
got
the
an email
CEO.
from us today?
Everything is
No,
organized.
from the Kayla, the Kayla Foundation.
Okay, I'll call you back, Charlie, okay?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes, it is a charity foundation and you won over here. Yes.
All right.
Yes, wonderful.
Yes, sir.
So yo, what your fault fam?
No, say a country me forward from the MG.
Come I wonder how this someone just bring in from the village so that you know, and nobody else don't know your brother. How you believe in the name charge? Believe. Say your name charge. Someone that most some country bush place I come from for sure. So I can sit down. You about know it?
No, really, no, me G.
Eh.
No, sir.
That's your function, so man. You want a script? You don't want a meds, man. So your name charge.
I know, so they call me Slippery though.
Slippery. They call us so. A thief.
No, so you know, say from me young and I grow, then come, so I don't know why. Yeah, man.
You ever never thief head?
No, sir.
You go on.
It's a godly youth.
You go on. See when my boy don't talk to that rasta man over there, sir. For my boy don't talk to yearling. Okay, I go on the shop as I swear made of.
When I shop.
Yeah, man, because we have a little ends, man, you see me? Because we don't each up a bar and some style in a bro, you see me? You have to know if you roll on the road. As a bang, lie.
Never say no.
Just so go to one place, get some high grade, go on all the vibes.
Me not too good in a scamming doing, you know, me general. Me just a learning. Me Rasta Bridge not teach me.
At least you learn. At least you try. You lie? Yeah, man, I'm afraid you try to get better, you lie? But which parish you come from? Because you come like you don't even know where you come from neither, you know.
That me try to tell you. That me want to tell you. Say me not too know exactly which part me come from certain way, but me know say a country one part where they
So
say a country.
how you this man a link up? How you the Rasta man a link up?
The name man tell us me and my family.
Me went to listen to him, I say me up on the phone. If me hear more than ask you. Try me ask you just answer me, man, I go answer, but you man say still a fresh your brain. So you have phone?
You know say Rasta give me one look bangalore.
Yeah, chip now.
No, so I'm saying go give me one money to buy one chip too and some credit.
So you want bang it, man. Alright, just say tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
So where you go? Ready yourself for tomorrow?
I'll tell you too.
So you say one thing, you know about the gozo. Okay,
Yes.
if I take a wash off, you know.
No, sir, I don't believe in another one day.
No man, if I take a wash off, man, they say
Believe
powers
in a
in
lucky,
you.
believe in a
See
in a-
powers in a ring you, and I believe in it. Know yourself, man, everything will sort out, man. You go to so just get the thing, man. Put him on a charge, man, because fear boy have a account, fear boy have a good link, can
Who
clear
that?
your food for you. Fear boy have your part, man.
Rasta.
Can clear food for you, so you don't have to fret up your brain. But you have to work for your one still, you see me? Because no man boy don't love man in my friend.
No, me general. No, I say nothing still.
Right.
Rasta.
So you have to do still.
Enter you ready in a
Get back to
Rasta.
what me that do, you know?
Yeah, me boss.
Work a day, work a night, you
Rasta,
know?
enter you ready.
Sun hot on my face, but my heart still cold. Family house full, but nobody really glad me home. Sister turn her back on me, say she tired of the shame and disgrace. Auntie say, hold your head up, my youth, but the past still call me name. A scamming business, feed we belly, pies and whistle. Scamming business, money come fast, but freedom slow.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe,
We hustle together, but we fight like enemies. Same blood in our vein, yeah. Still chained by the scamming business. Daddy teach me the road them before me even learn right from wrong. Say son, this is how we survive, but survival turn to prison song. 5% of me sweat, yeah, while them live big and free. College fee due tomorrow, but jail cell wait for me. A scamming business, feed we belly, pies and we soul. Scamming business, money come fast, but freedom slow. We swear say we loyal till the law knock on the door. Same table we eat from is the same one. Mash we hope. How long we a go run? How much more blood for spill? Is it love or fear keep we close? Or hunger we break we will? Protect the youth them, keep them far from the flame. Cause the business we build the house can burn the whole family name. Scamming business is a blessing and a curse. Scamming business, from the cradle to the earth. If we don't change the story now, history repeat again. Same jail, same tears, same pain, same scamming business.